Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. Under Armour shares are getting totally tossed in the trash bin right now, pre-market, after the company reported a surprising loss in its latest earnings report. Also warned about supply chain challenges and impacts of COVID-19 lockdowns over in China. Guys, there's no mincing words here. This is another very disappointing quarter from Under Armour. They issued their full-year earnings outlook about 10 cents below analyst estimates. And I will say this, on the positive side, I think some of the merchandise Under Armour has in the stores, Dick's Sporting Goods, their own stores, has been some of the best they have had in the past 5 years. But still, it is very inflationary merchandise, and they do not have enough of it on the floor.
It doesn't matter if people aren't buying it, how great the merchandise is.
It looks free, and I've been very critical of this company. But still, look, you can clearly see here today, margins are under pressure. They're having supply chain challenges.
Yeah. There are canceled orders. They said they were going to take a 3% hit from canceled orders.
It's stunning to see Under Armour almost below $10 a share.
Under Armour has continued to struggle for years. It's continued to be underwhelming. And the best period that they had was really after, 2017 to 2019. Sure, they had a little bit of a stock run up. 2017, they should have seen that perhaps earlier on. You had Sloane Stephens winning the U.S. Open that year. You had Steph Curry winning an NBA championship that year. You had Jordan Spieth winning, I believe, the European Open that year. And so with all of those being Under Armour athletes, leaning into that for the talent that you have on that team and how you don't retain that type of success over an extended period of time also speaks to the fact that you are not competing against the rest of the landscape that has upped its game, quite frankly. Lululemon getting into the golf category, getting J.R. Smith, who's been an amazing story that people have loved to cheer on, going back to college, playing golf, and having him compete in the same category that Jordan Spieth should have been able to run away with. All of that considered, I think the strategy here is at fault, and we've seen that at play over years, and it's even beyond the global supply chain challenges that they're citing right now. Yeah,
although those are on top of all that other stuff you're talking about, all the sports ball that you're talking about.
Sports ball.
All the sports ball. I do have to say, as a Baltimorean, the Under Armour underperformance has been a sore spot for me as a proud Baltimorean. You want that company to do, the hometown heroes to be doing better than they're doing. So,
well, they're all. Look, you made a very great point about competition. I spent some time last night with the Allbirds team. They're just launched a running shoe. You had Lululemon out with running shoes now.